Welcome to the second semester. I will teach you this course, that is Engineering Drawing in CAD Lab. The course code is been mentioned in the slide, that is ME104L, and the course title is Engineering Drawing in CAD Lab. So we will discuss what is engineering drawing and what is CAD. CAD basically stands for computer aided design, or sometime we can say that computer aided drafting or drawing. This is 1 credit hour course. Usually all the labs are usually 1 credit hour. Contact hour is 3. That basically shows the weekly hours. Grading for this lab course will be done as per the UT statutes or as per the prospectus. I will share the grading policy for this lab course. Here you can see a discuss OBE course card for the AutoCAD or CAD Lab assessment and grading policy. I have shared a file in the Google Classroom that is basically OBE course card and weekly schedule. You can download this file. Each and everything is being mentioned in this course card, which include the title of this lab course, course number, or you can say course code, semester, and so on. So what are the prerequisite, or you can say prerequisite theory for this course? You should know about the engineering drawing and graphic theory. Then you can easily play out with the environment of the AutoCAD. So exam, midterm and final term will be considered for this lab course. Textbook, we will basically focus on the AutoCAD 2007 user guide by Autodesk, because this book is easily understandable and easily readable for you people at this stage. Other references books are also there. You can download and study it according to the topic which we will cover in this lab course. Course description include introduction to AutoCAD, start, organize and saving a drawing, moving around in the existing drawing, understanding and drawing simple 2D objects, coordinate system, and so on. So we will cover all these topics which is being mentioned in the course description. At the end of semester, hopefully you understand all these topics. Course objective is also mentioned, that is to understand the basic concepts and environment of AutoCAD and apply these fundamental concepts of AutoCAD in 2D and 3D modeling. At the end of this course, the student will be able to draw 2D drawing, 3D drawing or 3D models with engineering specification. So remember, in this CAD course, Engineering Drawing in CAD Lab, we will cover, or we will practice AutoCAD software. Other CAD softwares are also available, which is little bit advanced. But if you practice, or if you know the different commands in AutoCAD, so you can easily understand, or you can easily play out with the different commands in the advanced software, which include SolidWorks, CATIA, Creo, Parametric, and so on. So different softwares are available, but this is the basic software. If you play out, or if you understand, or if you learn the different commands in AutoCAD, you can easily play out with the different commands that is available in the advanced softwares, CAD softwares basically. Course learning outcomes for this lab course is also mentioned in this file, and we are basically at this level, we are basically targeting 2 CLOs, which is further targeting 2 PLOs. So we have 2 CLOs for this lab course, and which is targeting PLO number 1, that is engineering knowledge, and the Bloom taxonomy level, or we can say the complexity level, will be 2, C2. What is C2 and what is P2? It is being mentioned in the next page, that is cognitive level. C2 is basically comprehension and P2 is basically set, and further the definition is being mentioned. You can study and you can easily understand what is the meaning of the Bloom taxonomy or a complexity level. The second PLO is targeting PLO number 5. You can study the description, the clause of the CLO number 2, that is recognize various functions and commands of AutoCAD software to create two-dimensional, isometric and three-dimensional drawing and models related to computer system engineering applications, generate and produce the drawing views of the component and assembly in AutoCAD. So PLO number 5 is modern tool usage. Tentative weekly schedule. So these are the different topics, different portions or different commands that we are going to cover in this LEAP course. In the first week we will go for the introduction, how to install AutoCAD, what are the basic commands, what are the shortcuts, and so on. Next is basically excuse me 1 minute. Okay, similarly in week 2 we will practice, or we will cover the topic that is being mentioned in the contents, that is introduction to toolbars, display toolbar, and so on. So you can study these different contents by yourself, and which you will cover in this LEAP course. At the end of semester, hopefully you will cover all these topics, and you will be experts using or drawing these different, or playing out with these different commands by drawing 2D and 3D models. So you can download this OBE course card and weekly schedule and keep it with yourself for further reference. Let's move back to the lecture slides. So recommended books include AutoCAD 2007. This will be majorly focused for this LEAP course, which is also been shared in the Google Classroom. Here I share today, that is basically AutoCAD Professional Tips and Techniques, AutoCAD 2007, which will focus in this LEAP course. Here you can read the note. You can study any book for this LEAP course, but most of the CAD practice will cover book title AutoCAD 2007. Why we are using AutoCAD 2007? Currently we have AutoCAD 2020, 2018, 2017 is also available. Why we are starting from the most basic version of the AutoCAD that we will study in the coming lectures. Okay, other references books are also being mentioned in this slide. You can download these books from the Google Classroom, or you can purchase it for your future reference, or you can go for the Google search and search different topics, and you can see the videos. Videos are usually the best practice for the learning a software. If you have any problem, or you face any problem while using a different using any command, so you can consult the video available in YouTube or different video surfing websites. Learning objectives of this lecture. So half of the objective we will cover in this lecture, because in this lecture we are basically going to install the AutoCAD 2007, and 2017 will be installed by yourself. I am just giving you the idea that how you will install the AutoCAD 2007. So first is, at the end of this lecture you will learn course card and weekly schedule, course learning outcomes, CLOs targeting PLOs, Google Classroom. Again you learn, you already know how to use Google Classroom, how you will submit your assignments, how you will see the videos uploaded, how you can download the video lectures, books, and so on. AutoCAD and its installation, because this is the very prerequisite for this LEAP course, that first you have to download the AutoCAD 2007 or 2017 or 2018 or 2020, which is also available, and crack file. You can download the crack file for the advanced version as well. So the installation of the AutoCAD is very important. If you have software, then you can easily practice and then you can easily learn this lab course. Otherwise it is almost impossible to learn this course without the AutoCAD software. So you must have both versions, that is AutoCAD 2007 and 2017 for this lab course. You can also download 20, instead of 2017 you can download 2020 or 20 AutoCAD 2020, which is feasible or which is available to you. So there are different websites which are basically offering different softwares, and you can easily download the software as per your requirement. So AutoCAD softwares are also available. I will show you the website. From here you can download AutoCAD softwares, and the installation video is also been uploaded on that site, so you can read or you can watch that video and you can install your AutoCAD accordingly. In this lecture I am also going to show you how you will install the AutoCAD 2007. So without any delay, let me start the installation of the AutoCAD. I already download the file for the AutoCAD 2007. So it is usually available in the RAR file in the RAR format. So when you double click on this, you can extract it. Remember, you have to install the WinRAR before the AutoCAD 2007, because usually in the downloaded version is in the RAR form. You can see the extraction of the AutoCAD 2007. So remember, before extracting, I missed this step. You have to switch off any security, Windows security, because it will remove the crack file during extraction. So before extraction of the AutoCAD, you have to switch off the security. Here you can see you have to click on this and manage setting. You have to switch it off. So you have to switch off firewall and network protection, as well as the virus and threat protection. So I'm using the Windows 10. So it is a very important step before extracting the CAD file. So I am going to remove it because it may give me error during installation. Maybe the crack file is being removed by the Windows security. So I'm going to delete this extracted file and let me extract it back. It may take some time. You have to wait for this. The file has been extracted. Here you can see the setup. Before starting the setup, you have to read the readme file which is available. The installation instruction is being mentioned stepwise. Install AutoCAD software, and then you have to extract the library, overwrite the original files. So these are the files which you have to overwrite in the existing library of the AutoCAD. First, install this basic setup. You have to ensure that DirectX 9 is being installed in your computer, which is usually installed in the Windows updates. It may take some time. Now the setup is being started. Serial number let me try 666 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This key is usually, serial number is usually provided. Okay, here you can read, if you haven't yet purchased AutoCAD 2007, so enter this key. So here we can write 000. So next, okay, 1 minute, let me check it again. Where this CD key is being provided. Why it is not here? Usually the CD key, the serial number may be provided in the software package you download from the website. Invalid. So let me try another. Okay, it has been accepted. DCSC mining / mechanical. So you can write any name. You can write DCSC or your organization name or your class number and so on. Dealer, so UT, so dealer phone, ignore this option. Okay, phone number is, let's say, 123. So install optional tools. If you are interested to install the optional tools, you can install. Okay, next. So the installation is being started. Better to turn off your internet connection. It will help you during installation. Again, it may take some time. Here you can see please wait, installation in progress. So you can see the status of your installation, whether the files or the software is going to install or not. So it is in installation mode. Here you can see the icon of AutoCAD software, that is AutoCAD 2007. Still the installation is in progress. Okay, the installation has been completed. You can uncheck and you can finish the installation. Remember, before running the software, you have to install the crack, or you have to replace the files in the existing directory with the new files. Here you can see these two files should be replaced in the existing directory. So you can copy these two files and right click on this, open file location, and save these two files. Replace the file in the destination. Existing file should be replaced with the new files. Okay, the installation has been completed, so you can run your AutoCAD software. The crack has been successfully done. Again, if you face any problem, you can consult the videos, or you can watch the videos available on the internet, on the YouTube. Multiple videos has been there regarding the installation of the AutoCAD, or how to crack the AutoCAD software, and so on. This is the screen which you will see after running AutoCAD 2007 application. So we have classic, we have 3D modeling mode. So we'll start from the AutoCAD classic and then we will switch to 3D modeling. Your AutoCAD. Similarly, the advanced version can be installed in the same way. Let me show you the website from here. You have to download this software. Get into PC is the website. From here you can download the AutoCAD basic version and advanced version as well. AutoCAD 2007. Here you can see the AutoCAD 2007 software, free download. So at the bottom, how to install, the video is also available. Okay, let me turn on the internet because I switch it off during installation. So this is the video which you have to watch, or which you have to follow during installation of the AutoCAD. It will guide you stepwise and you have to follow those steps while installing AutoCAD software. So how to download? You can easily download this software. The password, the correct when you extract the files, maybe it require the software, sorry, the password. You have to enter this code to extract your file successfully. So this was all about the installation of the AutoCAD 2007, that how you can download and how you have to install your software in your PC. Similarly, the advanced versions are also available on this site. Here you can see the AutoCAD 2022 version is available, but I will recommend to download AutoCAD 2020 version. If it is not available, you can download it from other softwares. So this is one of the most useful website from where you can download multiple softwares. Not only CAD softwares, but the other softwares are also available, so you can easily download as per your requirement. So this was all about this lecture.